And hello there again, fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest from the HGCE or HG Cosmic era, coming from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. We have the Duel Blitz Gundam. Yes, so and also as you can see in the backpack, you see here the Duel Blitz Gundam, and on his back is the Lightning Buster Gundam, which will be released in a later month. And off to the side, we see here it also has the seed action system, but it is without its assault shroud. And here it is with its assault shroud. And yes, if you have guessed it, most of the parts of his assault shroud is previously the weapons for the Blitz Gundam. You know, this hook here and this missile things. Yep, I think they're for Nicole or something. And here it is, Duel Blitz Gundam front and back, and of course information about the movie. So let's go and see what's inside the box. So first up, we see one bag with a multicolored sprue and of course the wire for the other effects, and then the gray, another bag for black, and the stand, another bag for saber beam effects, white, that light grayish, light bluish color for the armor parts for the assault shroud. Actually, we see some small sticker sheet here, some gray parts, most of the white again for the mobile suit, other parts for the Gundam here, and some gray again. And here it is, the instruction manual, where they reverted back to the one sheet long kind of thing. And here they are showing you how to build it first, how to build the Gundam base Gundam first, and then how to build the assault shroud and how to put them on. Yes, so that is what's inside the box. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. And first off, we have the A sprue here, which is very surprising because usually the A sprue is a multicolored sprue, but this time it's just all gray, and it is most of the parts here are, for the limbs, the joints. So this is the A sprue, something pretty new actually. And then we have the B1 here, which is all white, so this is for the armor of the Gundam. The base armor, that is. It also has a B2, which is all white as well. Mostly I think these are new parts or new sprues. Yeah, and then we have the C1 here, which is in by continuation part of the armor frame. Yeah, so that's the C1. It also has a C2 here, which I think, yeah, you can see here it duplicated one part, half of it actually, for the limbs and such. Now comes the multicolored sprue, which is in D1, where we have that orange, the blue, and the yellow, and of course a clear green here for the head actually. And most of this are for the assault shroud, I hope, and I guess, yeah. It also has a D2, where, as you guess it, yeah, some part is duplicated. And finally we have the E, which is a big sprue here, and yes, most of this is for the assault shroud. But not only that, it also has an F1 here, which is all black. Based on this, yeah, this is in remembrance for Cole's weapon, which is the Blitz. And it also has an F2 here, which is for the gun. That's the parts for the gun. We are also given a wire for some of the effects that you have seen earlier in the box. Saber beam effects here, SB12, this time is in pink, reddish pink. Yeah, a stand, so this stand here is for duplicating one of the effects where the claw from the Blitz is being launched, but this time is from the Duel Blitz. And of course a small sticker sheet, which will be for detailing the Duel Blitz Gundam. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Duel Blitz Gundam for the latest of the HGCE 1/144 coming from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. And yes, of course, I'm sorry I forgot to mention that yes, Duel Blitz is still piloted by Zack and he is still part of Zaft. Yeah. And after Gundam Seed Destiny, I think he works with Orb and the Earth Federation forces with Compass as well and Terminal, I guess, and keep trying to keep the peace. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, leaving a like, commenting, sharing, viewing another videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.